Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a work visa to Bolivia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official Ministry of external website where you can apply for the visa. This available in multiple languages. So I have set it on English. You can go to the other language also. So like the very first thing is going to be to log in into this. Okay. So you can register and you can sign up for it, or else you can log in with Google. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to show you guys. So guys, after we log in, this is the main page which we reach. So here, the very first thing is to click on new visa application. And again, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And whatever information I put in this form and any other form in this video is sample and does not belong to any living person. Okay. So you need to select as per your case. I select this visa type. This is very important. So we have temporary work and then we have work. So this temporary work we have already gone through. Okay. So we are gonna go for uh, work visa here. Okay. Passport details. This is sample. Issuing date and expiry date. Just sample, guys. Okay. Expedition place. I'm putting it New Delhi. You need to do as per your situation. This is sample. Okay, so now the application is create. Okay, you can make the visa application, and once you make the visa application, it will provide you further information about how to complete the process, payment, etc. Okay, so I won't go into that, but I'll help you. Like I'll show you how to complete the steps to make the application. Okay, so oh, we can hide it. Wow. So first is your personal information. Some of the information is picked up. Okay. And I would strongly suggest you do it as per your passport so that there is no issue later on. You need to upload photo specifications are given. Next is your passport information. Some of the details already picked up. Third is visa application. So we had selected this work. So how many days you want to stay? This is the maximum in this form. And you need to do as per your case. Way of entry. If you go by air, you're gonna select where you're gonna destination, your main destination, secondary destination. Wow. If you have applied before, you're gonna check this box. If not, you can go to the next section. Emergency contacts and then attachments. Passport valid for 6 months. Vaccination against yellow fever. And then letter of invitation from the organization company with supporting documentation. Police clearance certificate. Financial solvency. And then you go to the next step where you declare, where you can preview before sending. And then it will guide you for the next steps. That's how it works, guys. And I hope you're going to like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.